Welcome to SeedSpark Sessions. My name is Samuel Adams. I'm the content writer and social media coordinator here at SeedSpark, and today we are going to be talking about search engine optimization. In the past few weeks, we've been talking about the powers of WordPress and why our team believes it is the best platform to build a website on in 2020 and beyond, but we thought that we would take a step back and look at a larger topic in the world of web development, and that is search engine optimization. Now, for those that might be novices in the world of web development, or for those that might be completely new to web development, that sounds like a very big term. It could be a bit scary, but it really isn't if you take at least 5 of these tips and build a solid foundation that you can continue to improve on as the years go on. So first and foremost, what is search engine optimization? It's ultimately the creation of content and the design of a website built around the way that Google, Bing, and Yahoo categorize their search results and rank them based off of what they think that the user is going to actually be looking for. So for instance, if you have a landscaping company creating content that is very keyword rich and creating a design that is very friendly for these crawler bots, these AI-powered data machines that Google, Bing, Yahoo, and other platforms use, you can create a website that is very friendly and can actually climb the results to get to your ideal customer faster whenever they are looking for the services that you provide. I sat down with our web development team to talk about 5 basic SEO discoverability boosts that are going to help your team in 2020 and beyond. However, we do want to make one point very clear. The algorithms are constantly changing. They are always going to be tweaking how results are displayed at Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other platforms. But these are fundamental points of web development that are going to increase your SEO discoverability and how your website is ranked in the results. So first and foremost, set page titles. Setting page titles is a simple step that adds plenty of SEO power to your site. Adding a page title to the tag along with your website's name boosts the name and content discoverability to create a lot of value for your brand. It also looks very good, and you can see an example of this in our blog, which I have linked down below. One page, one H1 tag. Each page on your website should have its own unique H1 tag or headline tag. Having this H1 tag and making sure that it's related to your page title confirms that the crawler of your website is a legitimate and reliable resource for information, improving your overall rank and increasing your company's reputation as a reliable resource for industry information that other companies then look to for guidance. Use page descriptions. Page descriptions are brief blurbs that give more information about the topic or content the page covers. While some might just gloss over this step and write it off as unnecessary busy work, crawler bots depend on this information for accurate search results. Putting in the extra effort to write a unique description, a piece of text generally under 320 characters, for each page improves the overall performance in Google search results, driving more traffic back to you. When you think about it, 320 characters is less than 2 tweets. You can probably find time in your day to accomplish that goal. Add alt text to images. Much like page descriptions, adding alt text does not change much on the surface of your website, but behind the scenes, alt text fuels discoverability by allowing your company to show up organically in image search results. Coupled with powerful page descriptions, alt text is an invaluable tool that redirects users interested in your industry directly back to you and toward the products and services that you provide. And finally, use natural URLs. Using natural URLs that make sense is a golden rule in modern web development. Using these URLs, addresses that simply make sense, simplifies your content catalog and improves the overall aesthetic of your website. For instance, don't use example.com/community/forum/subforum/2020/may/food. It's bulky and it doesn't look nice. Instead, use something like example.com/forum/food. It's concise, it's understandable, and it creates a better experience for visitors. And on top of that, it looks much better when sharing on social media as well, and it's much more understandable for those crawlers that are so important in terms of discoverability on Google, Yahoo, and other platforms that drive visitors back to your website. While there is an ever-evolving list of best practices in the world of web development and search engine optimization, these 5 tips provide a solid foundation to build on as new industry trends emerge and businesses pivot to better connect with an online audience ready and waiting to connect with you. Thanks for taking time to check out this episode of SeedSpark Sessions. If you're new here and you enjoyed what you heard, be sure to subscribe on podcast services, or, of course, you can find the show on YouTube as well. Links to those pages and our social media channels will be down below, or you can always hit us up on the official SeedSpark website for more information on the topics we covered, or to learn more about the services we offer. But we look forward to seeing you on the next episode.